Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Huda Beauty and Power Eyeshadow Palette. It has this 18 beautiful, gorgeous colors from powder to shimmer to gel. It has this brown and black gel eyeshadow that it can be used as a liners or just simply as eyeshadow. The glitter eyeshadows are gorgeous. They're so pigmented. It's hardly any pressure on my finger, and I can apply them just beautiful. My almost everyday makeup routine has some glitter in it, and this palette is just perfect for it. I have just the day look, but if I want to spice up things a little bit, I can do that with just this palette. I apply some of the gel eyeshadows, and then from there I can go into the powder, but also can go back to the gel ones, and they will blend beautiful. I don't need a lot of product on the brushes in order to be defined. So with a little bit, I can go a really long way. The gel eyeshadows, I use them as gel eyeliner on my waterline. So this palette is really versatile, and that's my point of view.